this over. I feel like we have to test the CE. When Bowman speaks, usually we see something happen. Nothing crazy though, but like maybe a manipulation candle or something. But it's at 7, so that might give us our continuation model. You can see this area acts as a consolidation zone pretty often. So I'll even do that sometimes. Because when I see a break at this level, it shows me like a true direction. This might not be a good trading day. And I say that because of where this last diamond right here diverges. You can see when it starts diverging like this, typically days like this, when we get in the middle of a divergence, it gets choppy for New York session. So this area, price is gonna probably go in here if it breaks to the upside past this negative 0.414 extension. We still haven't gotten a manipulation to the downside, and we might not. A lot of times, price will just be too slow, and it'll make its way back to these this descending 8-1 angle right here. Take some internal range liquidity and start going upward, and then we'll see like a break above this 0.81 extension of Asia, and it'll go into like a ascending 8-1. A lot of times is the case I've seen. You can see this imbalance right here got ran earlier in London. So I don't think price wants to go lower, but we still are in New York Open, and manipulation, that happens before the initial push. And the consequent of Asia is also very important too. This area acts as a magnet. So I would probably go for a potential long entry right here, light position. Because likely it's going to chop around up here. I'm just saying though, the real setup took place at 12 a.m. The real safe one would have been right here, getting in beneath the 0.18. I see those play out safe mostly, but when we leave these angles, you can get in. Okay, so we're taking sell side. Looks like we got equal highs, 15-minute equal highs right here. I feel like there's a partial long setup here. Gotta wait for Bowman to speak. After he speaks, we might get entry. So this imbalance got ran. I'll get in above these highs. One imbalance right here would get me in. That's probably what news is gonna do. Look at this. This is trend line liquidity. Then we have all of this too. Kind of want to see this 1 minute close and then the next candle dip and take off. But if we close above, do we have 5-minute highs? target CE. Our trade is performing well. It's just, like I said, it's gonna, sometimes it'll be noisy around these angles. See how it closed above and then closed below again? Now I want to see it close above this wick. And once we get that, price should start pushing. Should see an increase in volume. None of this imbalance has been retested. Okay, so we printed a new imbalance while also closing above this wick. That lets me know that first TP is going to get hit. Well, I hope. I like looking at the 1 minute real zoomed out because it kind of gives you this line chart look, but without actually being a line chart. Then again, we're in a divergence zone. You see, like I mentioned earlier, this where you see the two blue angles right here, the descending and the ascending 4-1 angles. Then you have the descending and ascending 8-1 angles right here. They create this diamond, just like there's a diamond before. There's 4 diamonds in total, but right here, this last one, it creates this divergence. And when price goes in here in New York session, it gets very choppy. So when you're in this area, you're not going to find setups really. And I noticed like that leads to bad trading days. Best time to get in is like at these angles, at a break below or above these two 0.18 or 0.81 extensions. And you can notice how they kind of align with these ascending and descending 8-1 angles. You see how it's delivering. Yeah. Now, if this was NQ, you'd probably see like a faster push to Asia CE. Oh, there we go. I spoke too soon. Look at that. Like to the tick. Like I know price wants to go up there. It doesn't want to just wick into it, but it could technically reverse right now. So I'm sitting in a dangerous spot. I don't like how this looks. I might just close it soon. It all depends on this candle, but if we get another bearish one, I'm closing. I'm gonna close that because I could sit here longer and I could get reversed on. So $500, that's not bad. I'm gonna take it. I'll look for another trade because there is definitely more trading potential, and I don't think that's gonna be on ES either. I'm gonna switch to NQ. But yeah, that's all for that one.